Lamjingba Group has opened a brand new IT manufacturing company named Cherry Technology and Marketing Private Limited today at IFA Signature Building in Udyog Bihar Phase 4, Gurgaon. The new IT brand Cherry is launched under the Malaysia Company Act 2016 and it will deal in marketing of smartphones, laptops and smart televisions. Aggrieved teachers today staged a sit-in protest against the Manipur Services Revision Pay Rule 2019 in front of Education S Office, Lamphenpat, Imphal. After a girl student mysteriously died at the hostel of Standard Robert School, Kanchipur on July 18, Socialist Student Union Manipur has announced a ban on the school from opening until the fact and circumstances leading to death are investigated. A bomb suspected to be an IED was found this morning at a culvert in between Tronglaubi and Oksungbung along the Tidim Road under Moirang Police Station of Bishnupur district. The bomb was detected by a sniffer dog of bomb experts. As celebrated all over the nation, 182 Battalion Border Security Force Koirengai celebrated Kargil Vijay Divas under the aegis of Sector Headquarter BSF Counter-Insurgency Operation Manipur at BSF Campus Koirengai. As a part of the event, a 5-kilometer run was held. As a measure taken by the state government to tackle shortage of petrol and diesel oil in the state, altogether 277 oil tankers left Jiribam on 18th and 19th of this month for Imphal, as per report from Jiribam Police. The Project Elephant Division and the Ministry of Environment and Forests has taken serious note of the incident of mysterious death of a 47-year-old elephant in Mizoram few days back. As per report, the issue was brought to the notice of the Project Elephant Division by Suparna Ganguly, co-founder trustee of the Wildlife Rescue and Rehabilitation Centre, Bangalore. Alcoholism appears to be rampant in Nagaland, with hospitals tending to alcohol-related illnesses throughout the year. According to doctors of District Hospital Dimapur, 50% of the patients are at alcohol-related cases, and alcoholism cannot be treated through medical attention as long as the person consuming alcohol has no willpower to stop the abuse.